Hello everyone, it's Donna, and I have a quick little video this morning to help you extend the life on one of the important parts of your embroidery machine. And, I have an older 6 needle. I've had it for, I don't know, 9, 10, 11, 12 years. Can't really remember. It's been a long time, and I've used it a lot. And this right here is a USB extension cable. It's one that I picked up from Walmart for about $5. If you don't have one, I would suggest that you get one. This one, I don't know, is probably 3 or 4 feet long. It doesn't necessarily have to be that long, although I would get something to where, it would, whatever, where you stick your USB stick into, that at least it kind of like lays on your table instead of dangling from your USB port on your machine. And anyway, the reason I say that, like, this would be the one that goes into my machine, and this is where I would like stick the plug, my USB stick in and out. And the reason that it will help you and help your machine, so I don't know if you can see down in here, but both ends right here have these little silver pins in there that matches up with it's going to be harder to see in here if you can see them at all, the little pins that are right down here in your stick. And every time that these come in to contact and you push them in and out, there's a little bit of wear and tear. And over time, this may actually get to where it's not usable. Throw it away, get another one. They're cheap. But the USB port on your embroidery machine isn't so easy to change out, and it probably wouldn't be cheap. So what I've done is I have actually started using one of these. I cannot take credit for it. I'd heard about it years ago, but I'd really not started seeing issues with my USB until, I would say, like in the last year and a half. Every once in a while I'll get like the message that it can't read the USB, something like that. I'm not sure the exact same message, but I did see this, and I thought I would try it and see if it would work on my machine. I was skeptical since mine's older, but it did, and I thought I would share this tidbit along. Now, make sure that you do not get one of those multi-port USB hubs. That will not work. It has to be the USB extension. Let me get this plugged into the machine, and we will show you what it looks like. So I plugged it in right here. I'm going to turn my machine on. Give me a second. So you see it plugged in. And this is how I go to read my USB card. This would be the cable that came with the machine that I could plug up to my computer. I never do that. I always use a memory stick. But anyway, you press that and you'll see that it is retrieving the pattern. And it comes up with the embroidery designs that I currently have on this stick. So press 1. It's going to retrieve, excuse me, it's retrieved the pattern, and you can go until you find the one that you want. Of course, you see them, you normally go straight to it and stuff, but it's quick. It's just as quick as putting this into your slot over here. Excuse me. But I want to elongate the life of this machine as long as possible. And I know, especially some of these electronic components with the board, the screen, maybe the USB plug, are getting harder and harder to find. So now I leave this cord plugged into my machine all the time, and this just lays here, and I stick my sticks in it. That way, like I said before, if I have to replace it, it's a $5 part instead of probably multi-$100 worth of parts and then labor to have it done on my machine. Anyway, just a quick little tip. If you're concerned about your machine, you may want to get one and try it, and let me know how it goes. That's just a quick tip for today. We will talk to you later. Bye.